everyone, and welcome back to Stylish Niger YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to Stylish Niger YouTube channel. I thank you guys for your love, for your support. If you are new to the channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the bell on the side to get an update whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut and sew this trendy flounce or a beautiful flounce design on a dress. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the like button. Please subscribe if you have not done so, and then if you want to register for my online classes, you can just see my number scrolling through the screen. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll give you the details of the classes we have presently available. Okay, guys, so you can follow me on all of my social media platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, all at Stylish Niger. Let's get started. So, the fabric I'm going to be making use of is a normal fabric that's like a crepe, or you can make use of a satin. So, I have 1.5 yard of fabric here, so that's what I'll use. So now let's start. We'll draft it on a pattern paper first, and then before we transfer to the fabric. Okay guys, so this is the fabric that I'm going to make use of. So I have about 1.5 yards, and then this is the interfacing that I'm going to use. It is a medium gum stay because I want the top one to be strong, and then the other long one I'm going to add a soft interfacing or a gum stick or hair stick. So I'm going to actually cut this plant. I'll cut it out as a fillet. I'm going to use my pattern paper. Why I want to use my pattern paper so I don't waste my fabric. And then I'll cut it out and then arrange it the way I want before I transfer it to my fabric. So for this, I'm going to use this 10 inches first. So 10 inches, I'm just going to cut 10 inches round, just like a round fillet like this. Okay, so that's my 10 inches. So let's cut this out now and see. And then on this side, I'm just going to open this up. So you can see how beautiful. So I'll open here now. Just open it on one side. So I'll show you what we have now. So I'm going to open this up like this. And then I'm going to trim. I'm going to trim this. So I'll show you how to trim this now. So the trimming, I'm going to start from this side. So from this sharp point like this, I'm just going to trim. I'll trim it into this point like this. So if you notice, I did not get to this point, just half of my pattern. So you can see what I have. So now I just want to check it. So I'll show you guys how we're going to. This is how it's going to be. I'll cut out 2 pieces and sew and turn. But let's fold it first and make sure that what we have is okay before we continue. So this comes like this, and then this goes like this. This comes like this. So you can see how it is looking. You can see how beautiful it is looking already. And then this goes like this. I just want to. This comes like this. So you can see our plants. Isn't she pretty? So this one, I'm just going to leave this like this. Because this is going to stay, it's just going to stay around like this. So I think what we have is okay. I think what I have is okay. So I'll go ahead now. So this is just literally what we want to do. So now it's just for me to cut out 2 pieces of this. And then I'll iron my gum stay, this medium gum stay on it. Sew it and turn it. Iron it out nicely, and then I'll bring it back and show you guys. So I'm going to transfer this right now. Okay, so I've cut out the interfacing on it. The next thing is this, the straight one. So for the straight piece, I'm just going to use from my leftover fabric. So I'll just fold it like at an angle. Yeah, just at an angle like this. So I'll cut it out now so you can see the complete shape. Just fold it at an angle. So I'm using the entire length. I'll cut this out right now. Okay guys, so you can see the piece that I cut out. So I used the entire length of my satin. So I just folded it at an angle and then cut this out. So the length that I have about 53 inches. So that the width of the down is about 12 and a half, and then the top part is about 6.5 inches. So I'll take this back also. I'll iron my gum stay on this part. That's my soft gum stay. And then I will just stitch it straight and then turn it. And then this one also, I'll iron and then sew and turn. We'll come back and show you guys how to fold it. And then we'll attach them together. Okay guys, so you can see I finished sewing and turning. So this is the straight piece. So what we are going to do now is just for us to fold it and then pin it. So I'll show you just the way I showed you how to fold it initially. So this is the big part of my flounce. So here's what I'm going to do. So this, you can actually do it however you want to do this. So just take a good look at what I'm doing. So I'll bring this to this side like this, and then I would return this back. I'll return this back. So you can see what I'm doing. So this depends on however you want to do it. So I'll use my pins to secure it. So this is what I will do. I'm going to stitch it with a hand stitch. So you stitch it from the inside. So you bring this one back to that point again, like this, and then you use your hand stitch. You secure it down, and then you take this one again. You return it back so you can see what I'm doing. You return this piece back. So this side is stiff. So I'm going to stitch it on this side right now. So I hope you can see it. And then after that, you can see what we have. I'll return this back like this. So you just keep going. And then this last piece is going to stay like this. So you can see my curve right here. So this is one. So you can see how this one is looking. So you can see how it is looking beautiful. So the next thing now is for me to attach this now. Is to attach this now. This, I'll attach this to the down. So you can decide, you can attach it first, or you can decide to attach it after. So you can see how it is looking. So I'm going to place this on the mannequin now for you to see how it will look like. Okay, guys. So at the end of the day, you can see how our flounce looks like. I have finished pinning it just like I explained to you, so you can see it really came out really fine. So it depends on how you want to put it. You can just put it that way. So you can see the straight long piece here. So you can make that also as long as you want. So guys, I've now come to the end of this video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit on the like button. And if you have not subscribed to Stylish Nigeria YouTube channel already, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next